Now to use the reflection tool, let's go to our toolbox and right click here, then choose reflect tool or use the shortcut O. Now this little circle here, let's click on our artboard. Then you will see a little circle. It will be the center of the reflection. I will explain what I mean by that. So to make a reflection of any shape, first we need to select the shape using the selection tool. Let's drag that shape here. We will work with it. Now after you select the shape, go and choose the reflection tool. Then use your mouse. So the shape is selected. The little circle is in the middle. So the reflection will be around that circle. For example, I clicked with my mouse here and moved the shape. The reflection will start from the center. But if I move it, that little circle here, you just click. Let me go back. Let me take that here. So if I move it, for example, this way, then I started moving the shape, it will go around that little circle. You can see what's happening here. So if I put it, for example, here, you just click with that plus sign here. Then using your mouse, you click and start moving the shape, and it will rotate and reflect around that little circle. So let me take it back here. Just click here and move the shape like this. So for example, if I want to create a reflection of that side to the right side, what I will do is to click the Alt and hold it. Then with that a plus sign and with the minus sign beneath it, choose the middle or the mirror where your shape will be reflected. Then with your mouse click OK. Then a reflection will be created and you will have the reflect window. You can use the horizontal option, the vertical option, or you can just adjust it using the angle option. I will just use the vertical option here. Like when you click preview here, you can see what's happening, so make sure that you've clicked preview. Now if I want just to make a reflection without copying the shape, I will just click OK. But if I want to create a new shape, I will click copy. So click copy here and you'll have another shape as a reflection, and that point here is working as a mirror, so you can understand more how reflection tool work. And what I need to say about the reflection tool is that there is other ways to do it, like We can do that just by selecting first the object, then right click, then we go to transform, then we click reflect. Then we'll have our reflection. See? Or let me delete that. Or we can do it by going to object, select the shape first, then object, then transform, then select reflect, and you'll have the reflect window. Make sure that preview is checked, then move the shape as you want. So this is all for using the reflect tool. See you in the next video.